How to create a chart in Google. Numbers tells a story, but charts bring them into life. Let's dive into Google Sheet and learn how to transform your data into beautiful, easy to read visuals that impress and inform. Highlight the data or chart you want, then over there at the top 3 button, at the top you can see a plus icon is there. Simply tap on it. There you can see link chart images, insert 7 rows above. Simply tap on chart. Here you can see you can choose the type of chart you want. I want pie chart, so I'll tap on pie. It's much more easier for me to understand. You want to add legends like on the top right or left. Where do you want? And upgrade title after entering your title. Like this, you can enter the chart. You can choose the different chart at full as well.